lose bottled water. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do some off cuts of this mango. You can basically eat it in 5-10 minutes and it will already taste as if it's pickled. If you know about this, you know about this. If you don't, you don't. In this video I'm going to be making a confit. You can call it a pickle, you can call it brining, because it's basically got various ingredients in it. The method I'm going to use in doing this one today will be 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water. That's to just make sure you haven't got any spoilage in there, and if you follow that rule of thumb you should basically kind of be alright. To pickle, well, you can pickle fruits, cucumber, carrots, cabbage, pineapple, mango, June apples, all of that. Today I'm going to be doing mango. This should be a ripe mango because it's from it's from Sainsbury's, but of course for some reason their fruits are never ripe. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is, and being Mauritian we're used to having this as unripe fruit, so I thought, yeah, why not? How we're gonna start, and I'm gonna get going on now before this water goes cold. We got 50 ml of water in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the 50 ml in this bowl here. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. We're obviously gonna mix that because we want to try and get that to dissolve. Now what I'm going to put in here, I'm going to put two green chilies. We're going to pop that to the side here for a second. We're going to get 2 green chilies, that size. Again, this is something, if you don't like chilies, you don't have to put it in. I love chilies, so I'm going to put it in. So now we've got 50 ml of water in there, so what we're going to do is use bottled water, because you do want filtered water for this. Another 50 ml, and then we're going to put 200 ml of, well, I'm using white wine vinegar basically. Now I'm gonna add the whole of a tablespoon of salt. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do some off cuts of this mango. Okay, so you guys, and I wouldn't recommend it, but sometimes people will heat this up on the fire, because if you do heat this up on the fire, you put the mango in there, you can basically eat it in 5-10 minutes and it will already taste as if it's pickled. But to me, that's I don't agree in doing that. I'd only agree in doing that if you're using vegetables like maybe asparagus, or you're gonna pickle cauliflower, broccoli. This is gonna be something what we're gonna eat the pickled mango confit with. I'm gonna get this hot chili powder from Thailand. Now I'm gonna put about a tablespoon in this. So I've got a tablespoon in there. Pop that away like this. Then what we're gonna do is add half a tablespoon of salt to it. Then we're gonna mix it. So now what you can do, you get a container, you use your brine that you made from here. You take 1, 2, 3, 4. You take 4 tablespoons of your brine. Now this you're not going to use all of it because you're going to do it to taste. You're going to mix it to try and make it equal. Then you're going to put about half of it in here, and you're now going to mix this in. It looks like that. Then when you're going to come to eat it, you can just take a couple of these, so you know, oh, I'm going to have some later. So you're going to take a couple of these, put in this one like I'm doing now. And then I will show you what you're left with. Then you're going to be left with that. And what you do, you just sprinkle some of this Chilean salt again on the top, and then you're going to be left with that. Now, if you know about this, you know about this. If you don't, you don't. That's just the way I like to eat it when I come to eat it. And if you think it's a little bit too acidic for you, all of that, just get some brown sugar, put a sprinkle in there. What you do, you get a lid, pop a lid on here, and just give it a shake like that. And that's it. Alright guys, try this recipe, let me know what you think about this, because I know you're gonna love it, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this with a plate, let it sit for a bit, then we're gonna put it in this jar here, and then this one we're probably gonna eat in about hour or 2, because I just want it to pick up the pickle. Then I've got the chili flakes and the salt in this one, so I'm probably gonna even dip it in here again. Subscribe, like, and let me know what you guys think about this recipe.